What's up, everyone? Scott here. I just got out of work, and it's about 7:40 a.m. right now. Uh, I'm going to head to the Daniel Ricketson Trail, which is in Brooklawn Park in New Bedford, Massachusetts. Looking at all trails, it's a 0.7 mile walk. Well, that's actually confusing because the loop that All Trails puts is zero point 0.7 miles around the loop. But also, I was reading the comments, and there's more than one trail. Now, All Trails does not mention that. There is, I think it shows the yellow trail, but also people are commenting about the green and the blue trail. So, I don't know how many miles total are on the Daniel Ricketson Trails. Maybe we'll check them all out. I don't know how long they are, how much time I have. We'll see when we get there. But in all honesty, I'm so glad that I am able to get out of work this week. I just had it with the whole place. I work for a big corporate company, and they just mandated vaccines for like October now, and I'm just about had it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm trying to get exempted from it, but I can come up with a religious exemption excuse, maybe make it up really, and so. And who knows, I could send it to them, a letter of anything, and then they could just send it back saying they denied it for absolutely no reason. That's just how they work, you know? These corporations, they won't even have to have a reason. They'll just say no. So, it's really sucking right now. I really need this walk in nature because it'll be hopefully extremely healing. It just washes away all of this mess. Let's go check it out. Okay, everyone, I just arrived at Brooklawn Park. I am on the perimeter of the park, which is where all the parking is. It's a pretty nice park. I mean, I'm not going to walk through the actual park. I'm going to just be walking through the trails, but over here to my left, I can see a lot of baseball fields and a lot of stuff for people to do. So it looks pretty nice for the surrounding area. The trail looks pretty surrounded by forest, which is nice. It looks like a lot of green coverage. So I hope that just blocks out some of the sound from the city, because I am worried about that. You know, a park being so close to so many. Look, you can see me behind me. There's houses all around the park, so it's probably busier. Hopefully quiet. Hopefully I don't hear cars or things like that. I just want to be completely surrounded by nature today. I hope so. Here's the entrance. Let's check out these maps. I'm a little confused. Yeah, so you can see all these. Here's the green one. I think this is what is on All Trails, this perimeter one. But there are a lot of them inside. Well, I just realized I wasn't recording for a little bit. And my gimbal is just acting up a lot. It's not really staying balanced. But I don't think we missed too much. I caught you quick. But yeah, so all these different trails that kind of intersect, it's pretty cool. I can tell right now though, like, seeing how the ground, you can tell it. Yeah, sorry guys, my gimbal is just not staying balanced right now. It keeps drifting to the left or drifting up as I walk. That's not a good sign. So, as I was saying, the ground here is really wet. So I bet, like, after a really rainy day, it's just all mud. Oh, look at all these ferns. That's so cool. And you can see this goes out onto the green trail, which is the outside of the forest. So we're gonna take a left. Whoa, hold on. Look at this tree. That is Absolutely crazy. I don't know what that is. I do wonder if it's like disease though, because half the tree's broken off. So on all trails, it seems like, I mean, they got a full 5 stars from the people who rated it. But, I mean, I'm not seeing it so far. I'm not seeing it yet. I mean, it's a good trail. But, yeah. I mean, I guess I just like to be absolutely just immersed in nature with no other sounds or sights or anything like that, just nature. Like I said, I mean, my worries were true. It's so close to the road, all you do is hear cars, which is a little disappointing. Look at these flowers. Where's all the bees at? There's one bee. Oh. I love these flowers, but I get the feeling that there's a lot of ticks in here. So what I read online was that there's a ton of history here, and people, they take photos a lot too. There's a lot of pictures of like just great plants and flowers and stuff. I think that's why people really like it. I love that too, but yeah. I only like it when I'm fully immersed. Oh, through all the spider webs. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Wow. Trying to catch me. You know, I am actually very surprised that I haven't seen anyone yet. I haven't really been paying attention, so I'm not sure what trail I'm on right now. I'm assuming blue. Okay, yeah, we're on blue. Green's that way, blue's this way. Let's go continue on blue. Let's go loop back around to yellow. Now I mentioned that the ground was kind of like damp. It's not muddy, but I do think it's... Oh, snake. I don't want to miss it. I am super disappointed that the camera was facing me that time, because as soon as I started filming myself, a little like baby gardener snake was going across the path. And it was too fast and it got away from me. Dang. Oof. So I definitely got distracted from that snake. But like I was saying, the ground's damp and it's not muddy, but definitely attracting bugs and mosquitoes, because now I'm not getting swarmed, but getting bit. You can see all those bugs though. Okay, we're on the red trail now. What's up, squirrels? Here's one of the exits though, to like the outside of the trails. You can see baseball fields. There's like at least 3 that I see. Let's walk to the right a little bit, see if there's another way in over here to the right. Now, I've been loving walking through these woods, but I'm really starting to feel the beach. I want to hit some beaches up soon. They go with Sarah early in the morning one day if I'm able to at some point. Should have like a lot of space to walk before all the people. Well, I don't know when people head to the beach, but we go really early, we might not see anyone, or only a few people. Yeah, we'll check out, obviously, the beach. And we'll see if we can we'll see if we can find some cool shells, and maybe even sea glass, who knows. My mom collects sea glass and she just has like a tremendous amount. She does like a lot of art with it. It's really cool. Also, one of my favorites at the beach, or any pond really, you find some good rocks, go skipping rocks, and I'm not that good at it, but it's still fun. So I don't think we're gonna see anything too special in here. I'm gonna take the yellow trail all the way back to the entrance because I just don't have that much time today. I have to get home. Sarah and I are going to the Rentham outlets to check out some new clothes. Specifically, we're going to get some sandals for Disney. That way if it starts pouring in Florida, we just throw our sandals on. Yeah, some of my thoughts on this trail so far. I mean, not trash a trail. It's really nice, but definitely on the lower end of my list. I think really the only thing I like about this trail right now is all the flowers I walked through for a little bit. Yeah, I like a trail with like a lot of different stuff. Like if I see a pond or, you know, a stream, I like it a lot more. Not much here. And there's broken glass just about everywhere, I've noticed. Again, I don't expect much because it's in the middle of New Bedford. And that's not anything as New Bedford, it's around the city, and like people are gonna easily come in here to, like, you know, drink and smoke and stuff, like, because it's in the woods but near homes. It's an easy getaway spot to just like hang out and do all that stuff. I like this bridge. Yeah, I wonder why it's like not really too many streams in here. Like, obviously they build bridges just in case the water gets high. But right now it's kind of just mucky. I like water, man. I want to see water. A little disappointing. But that was fun, but just gonna head back to the car for now. It was really nice to get out here, you know, get away from work, but again, a little unimpressed by this trail. So we're pretty much to my car by now. We're at the outside perimeter again. Not too impressed. All trails people give it 5 stars. I almost can't believe that. Sorry people, I'm going to give it 2 out of 5 stars. So close to the road they can hear the cars almost anywhere in the woods. I guess if you like live locally, you want to walk your dog, it's great, but that's all I can see. I mean, there's not much to see in there. So, again, not impressed. Sorry. But I'll catch you guys later. Bye.